wanted to edit the website content directly, like an editable document, with just one line of JavaScript you can do that, and let me show you how. This magic is called document.designMode, a browser feature that's been around for years and works in all major browsers. It lets you turn any page to an editable canvas instantly. Here's how it works. Open your browser developer console. Turn on the design mode by typing document.designMode equal on, hit enter, and boom, the web page becomes editable. You can now click on any text, any element, and edit it as if you were working in a word processor. Why it's useful? Let's say you're working on a chat platform. You can use document.designMode to test how your containers handle different message lengths, and no need to tweak HTML in your IDE or browser inspector. It's all live. So whether you're testing layout, experimenting with content, or just having fun, document.designMode is an awesome tool to have in your developer toolkit. And when you're done, just turn it off by typing document.designMode equal off. Simple, right? If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips in JavaScript, and let me know in the comments what other features should we explore in the next episode of Console. Thank you very much, and bye bye.